Learner notebooks are a very important part of 8th grade language arts. So the first thing you should do when you're setting yours up is put your name on it. Do it in permanent marker so that way it doesn't come off and it's easy to read. You should also include your teacher's name and your class period so if it gets lost, they'll know who to return it to. The very first thing inside your learner notebook is the table of contents. To glue that in, you should use good gluing practices. We like to say 4 dots, 1 in each corner, and then a cross in the middle. That should keep it down without wasting glue. You'll notice that we went ahead and filled in the first several items on your table of contents for you. The next several pages are all going to be table of contents. Right now they're blank, but they get glued in. And we'll fill them in as we go. We're going to skip one page just in case we need more room for table of contents. The next 2 pages in your learner notebook are the instructions. This is a document that tells you what learner notebooks are all about, why we use them, how they're set up, and about information going on the right side, outputting, processing going on the left. The next page is page 0. Notice we numbered the pages in the top outside edge. Page 0 is a list of possible processing activities. We will refer back to this list all year long. Page 1 is the language arts information sheet. This is really important information about our class that you will need to know this year, including percentages and information about grading practices. Page 2 is information about our semester book project. You will do 2 of these this year. The first one is due in December. The second is due in April. You know about them now, so there's not going to be any excuse for not turning them in on time. You have 8 options to choose from. Page 3 is about assignment redo or work corrections. We'll talk about this more in class, but you'll have the opportunity to redo any assignment that you scored less than an 85 on. The next 2 pages, pages 4 and 5, and again, notice we included page numbers so that it's easy to find them, are your Living Without theme questions. We'll do these in class the first week of school, or if you're watching this later, we've already done them. These are the next 2 pages, and yours should have your answers to these questions. Remember, 2 to 3 sentences for each question. We'll continue to add to our notebook as the year goes on, so make sure you keep your table of contents up to date and all of your pages nice and neat and glued in.